experiment in power electronics lab, that is speed control of DC motor using chopper. So first we have to see what is this chopper. Chopper is a DC-DC converter. So we can giving the input as a DC, and we are also getting the DC as the output. So that is called chopper. So using this chopper we are going to control the DC motor in this experiment. So for this we are going to have an excitation. Field excitation has to be provided. So from the fixed supply, from fixed DC voltage, we are getting variable DC voltage. So how we have to do this experiment? We have to have some devices, switching devices. In this case we are using IGBT as well as the MOSFET. So both can used as a switch, but what we are doing in our lab is we are using the MOSFET. So using the MOSFET as a switch, we are controlling the speed of the DC motor. So for that, first we have to give excitation to the field. So by using the voltage, so I have given some voltage to build the voltage across the field. So we are excited the armature winding of the DC motor. So coming to the chopper side, we have given DC supply, means the fixed DC supply has been provided. So that is for the input to the chopper. So also we have chosen the frequency at 50 Hz and the duty cycle is now it is 0. So by choosing the value of duty cycle, if you vary the duty cycle value, then the speed of the motor is going to change. So we are going to record the speed of the motor and the duty cycle, at what value the speed is going to change and how it is going to affect the speed of the motor. So now the circuit is rigged up as shown in the picture. Okay, so this voltmeter is connected across the output of the DC motor, and we are measuring the armature current using ammeter. Voltmeter and ammeter are built in inside the chopper circuit. So I have already given the excitation and the supply DC has been given, and now I am going to vary the duty cycle. Okay, so now the duty cycle is off, now it is on. So now I am going to vary the duty cycle. See, you can see it was 0, now I started, it is now 1, 4, 5, you can observe that as the duty cycle is increasing, at some particular duty cycle the motor will start running. Okay, so I am keep on increasing. See, the motor started rotating. Okay, so you have to measure at what duty cycle the motor started running, and you have to measure the speed using the tachometer. So this is the digital tachometer. To measure the speed of the motor, we have using tachometer. Okay, so we have to record the tachometer speed. It is in RPM, and you have to know the duty cycle. It is 37% of duty cycle is applied. Okay, then the speed it is measuring is 26.5 RPM. So for different value of duty cycle, the different speed will going to get. So you have to note down, or you have to see how the duty cycle has been changed and how correspondingly the speed is going to change in the output. So this is the speed control of the DC motor using chopper circuit.